Today I'm yearning for some pumpkin soup.
Pie pumpkin soup. Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio Instapot Pumpkin Recap.
It's a little difficult to do pumpkin soup if you have a pumpkin. You have to peel it or you can bake it. So this is what I came up with.
Place pumpkin into a pressure cooker.
You put the pumpkin in. So it's been a few minutes since
After cooking, remove the pumpkin from the pressure cooker and cut in pieces and store the pumpkin.
To put away everything.
Use your strongest blender and blend the ingredients together.
Now the idea is to get the soup as smooth as possible, which is why I'm using my Ninja. That way I have a really strong blender and I don't really need all these blades over here, but I want it to get it smooth. I don't own a Vitamix. This is what I use.
Add your pumpkin to the blender. If you want a richer taste, add more pumpkin.
If you don't mind fibers in soup, then go ahead and put the fibers in. But I'm deliberately leaving them out. This is just a serving for one person. This is a small serving. I'm scraping off the fibers off the top of the pumpkin. And then I'm going to cut it up pieces. Now it's very, very soft, so it shouldn't be any problem. And just to make it easier, I'm just going to put in the juice. Now this is hot broth that was just made specifically for this soup.
Add 2 cups of hot vegetable broth to the ingredients in the blender.
This is 2 cups of the hot broth I just made with pumpkin in it.
Now blend all ingredients until smooth. Note, actual blender time is not shown.
This is what it looks like. Not thick enough to be called a soup, more thin enough to be called a broth. And this would be a nice dish to warm you up. Have a light, slight taste of pumpkin, not overpowering, yet good enough to be able to keep you warm.
Store leftover soup in the refrigerator.
To store the parts that you're not using, you just use a regular container that you could put in your fridge. You can see there's no pumpkin inside of here. It's completely infused in the broth. So this is pumpkin broth. Well, thank you for watching, and this is the end of this video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.